Chasing new heights and longer distances? Looking for a watch that delivers unmatched endurance, precision tracking, and the power to keep up with every challenge? Let's talk about the Garmin Enduro 3, a performance-driven smartwatch built for athletes and adventurers who never slow down. With solar-powered battery life, advanced training metrics, and rugged durability, it's made to last as long as you do. More than a smartwatch, it's the ultimate partner for every race, every climb, and every adventure. What's in the box? Enduro 3 with black ultra-fit nylon strap. Charging cable. Documentation pamphlets. Want to grab the Garmin Enduro 3 from Amazon? Just hit the link in the description below. Key features. PowerGlass solar charging delivers up to 320 hours of GPS or 90 days in smartwatch mode. SatIQ optimizes GPS modes for accuracy and efficiency. Custom power profiles extend life for multi-day adventures. Weighs only 63 grams with a titanium bezel and sapphire glass option. Ultra-fit nylon band ensures strength and comfort. Built to withstand scratches, shocks, and harsh environments. Comes with Topo Active Maps and Next Fork trail guidance. Features ClimbPro, PacePro, and VO2 Max for trail performance. Touchscreen plus buttons keep maps easy to use on the go. Tracks VO2 Max, stamina, training load, and acclimation. Training readiness and morning report guide recovery and effort. Ultra Run tools and recovery time support race strategies. Equipped with Elevate Gen 5 HR sensor, ECG, and pulse ox. Monitors sleep, stress, HRV, and body battery energy. Helps optimize wellness for endurance and recovery. Supports notifications, Garmin Pay, and music streaming. Live track, incident detection, and Garmin Messenger boost safety. Built-in LED flashlight offers strobe and night visibility. Specifications. Charge your watch. To charge your Garmin Enduro 3 smartwatch, connect the included USB charging cable to the port on the back of the watch. Plug the other end into a USB power source like a wall adapter or computer. It takes about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge from 0% to 100%. How to connect. Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store or App Store, and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your Garmin Enduro 3 by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the check mark on the screen to start pairing. Scan the QR code displayed on your Garmin Enduro 3 using your phone's camera. It will automatically open the Garmin Connect app or prompt you to download it if it's not installed. Follow the on-screen instructions within the app to complete setup and pairing. Make sure Bluetooth stays on throughout the process for a smooth connection. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. Basic operations. Wrap the watch firmly around your lower arm just above your wrist, as shown below. Do not fasten the watch too tightly. Supports full-screen touch operations. Garmin Enduro 3 has 5 physical buttons. Button operations. How to reset your watch. To factory reset a Garmin watch, you need to power it off, then press and hold the start, stop, and back buttons simultaneously. While holding those, briefly press the light button to power the watch on. Release the start-stop button when the screen lights up, but continue holding the back button. The factory reset menu should appear after a short delay. Select Yes using the Start-Stop button to confirm, and the watch will reset. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Garmin Enduro 3. See you in the next one.